it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I had a lot of people on Instagram actually requesting me to do a tutorial on this look right here, and I'm glad you guys requested it because this by far is my favorite look that I have created, and I'm in love. I'm in freaking love. It is like that festival vibe type eye look-ish thing. But yeah, so if you want to know how to create this on your own face, continue on watching. Alright, first thing that I'm gonna do is prime my face.
Okay, real quick, I just wanted to point out that wow, that lighting definitely is better. Shout out to my husband for buying me a ring light, and now it's not weird looking lighting from a regular old lamp.
Elf Primer Mist Primer, and then just put that all over my face, and then grab my Juno Kohl sponge and then just pat that into place. If you see me looking over here, I have my mirror over here, so there we go. Alright, once that's done, go ahead and start with our eyes. And to prime my eyelids, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Put that all over my eyelids, and then grab a blending brush, just blend that away. Just gonna quickly do my brows, and for brows I'm using the Elf Brow and Liner Cream in the shade Medium Brown. Alright, now that brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Morphe X James Charles palette. And I'm going to dip into, I don't know the shade names because, you know, it's not on there. But I'm going to go in with this blue shade right here. Oh, before I do that, I need to put on some little tape, just so we can get the nice sharp line. Once this step is obviously optional. I just like to have nice, clean, sharp line. So go in with the blue and start packing that on your lid. Alright, now with the smaller blending brush, this is the Elizabeth Moss blending brush. Going back with that blue, and then just start blending it all together, and then start bringing it up. Alright, now it's time to cut the crease, and instead of concealer, I'm going to be using foundation because I feel like for this look, the concealer that I have is not that full thick consistency that I need. So I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and start using that to cut my crease. Now that part is done, we already cut the crease. Now we're gonna go and on with the Exotic Prism makeup palette, and we're just gonna use, you can use any blue shimmer shade. We're gonna put that on top of the cut crease, and that's gonna be a base for the glitter. So just grab any brush and then start packing that color on. Now that that's done, the glitter that I'm gonna be using today is by Southern Girl Cosmetics. I'll leave their Instagram somewhere on the screen for you guys so you guys can check them out. They just started their business and they are a small company, but I am in love with their glitters. Like, it is so stinking beautiful, and I highly suggest you guys check them out because their glitter are thebomb.com. And ooh, got it everywhere. This one is in the style Summer Loving. So just grab that and then grab a brush. And now we're going to start packing on the glitter on top. Now we got the glitter nice and packed on. So next what we're gonna do is grab some white eyeliner, and we're gonna start creating dots on our eyes. And I've been doing the dots like just with the wand itself, but I feel like using this is actually for nails, but as you can see it has these little dots on it, and I feel like it works so much better than having to take the time to draw it on. This one you just literally just stamp it on. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. We're gonna grab some white eyeliner onto the tip, and then we're gonna start dotting the dots onto the eye, and we're gonna follow the crease. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Southern Girls Cosmetics lashes in the style Boss Babe, and these are very, very glam, dramatic lashes. And I'm trying out a new lash glue. This is from Shop Miss A. This is the AOA Studio Super Strip Lash Adhesive, and I heard good things about this, so it's going to be a little first impression too. And it's white, so that's good. So then we're just gonna dry clear. I don't like the black ones because like if you mess up, you could see it all over your eyes. So, and at least with this one, if you mess up a little bit, it's gonna dry clear and you can't see anything. Now that we got the lash on, now we're gonna grab another brush. I'm gonna dip in back into the blue and start putting that right under your bottom lash line. Alright, so we got one eye complete. I'm going to just go ahead and do the other eye real quick, and we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, now I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, and I know it's been used and abused. And we're going to go in with the shade, I can't pronounce that one, so the blue one. I'm going to put that into our inner corner. Alright, and now for foundation, of course, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 120, and I'm gonna start just putting that all over my face. Oop. I just put too much. Oh, and I don't know if I said it already, but the sponge that I'm using is the Juno & Co. Cloud Sponge, and it is a dream. I love the way it blends out my foundation. It is amazing, and it's super duper soft. And for concealer, using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and start concealing away. Now to set everything in place, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. powder in the shade Translucent and just set everything. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Tarte bronzer and start bronzing up. For blush, I know it's kind of broken, but it's still good. It's the Tarte one in the shade Feisty, and we're just going to, and this is very, very pigmented, so gotta do that. Put that on the apples of my cheeks, and I also like to just put it on my nose now. I don't know why, I just feel like it looks better to me, so I just put it on my nose and it looks so cute in my opinion. And for highlighter, again, we're going back into the Anastasia one, and we're gonna go in back to the blue one so it will match up with your eyeballs, not your eyeballs, but your eye look. And just start highlighting away. This is such a good highlighter palette too. Highly suggest it. And I got this at TJ Maxx it was on sale for 10 bucks, so gotta check out them deals. TJ Maxx and Marshalls do have really good deals on high-end products. For lips, I'm gonna be using the Tarte, what is this called? Lippy Lingerie. And then for the lip liner, I'm gonna be, ooh, almost dropped it. Be using the NYX lip liner in the shade New Pink. Put that on my lips and start lining my lips. And this is such a pretty, pretty color. Oh, I'm in love. Alright, and for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Zuri Flawless Semi-Gloss Finish Setting Spray. And I got this also on Shop Miss A, so $4. And I am loving this setting spray. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I love how it came out. And thank you to you guys who wanted me to do a tutorial on this because I just love the color blue. Blue is my favorite color, and I'm really glad you guys are enjoying it. But yeah. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Don't be scared to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!